In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect StarTrader to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your StarTrader dashboard, you want to go to the Accounts tab and you want to create either a live or a demo account for MT4. So I have one already over here, but I'm going to show you how to create one instead. So click on Open Account. Click on whatever you want and then select MT4, press continue with MT4, and then of course you can select the account type, the currency, the leverage you want to use, and then the balance as well, and press submit. Whenever you do that, here you have to confirm that you want to create a separate account in case you have one already, but if you don't, of course, that message is not going to be relevant to you. Here you'll then be able to see your MT4 password, and what's the most important part over here is that you'll receive an email with your login credentials for MT4. So whenever you receive that, you're ready to go. Click on download on the left hand side, download MetaTrader 5 onto your computer and open up the setup. And when you do this here, it's going to open up a setup window. There we go. Click on next. And then you have to wait for like 10 to 15 seconds for this to complete. And then when that's basically done, there's going to be a finish button down here at the bottom right, which you'll have to click. Okay. So within just a few seconds here, this should be done. There we go. Click on finish. And what this will do is it will open up MT4 on your computer. So the StarTrader version of MT4, there we go. And then it's going to start scanning for the first time it does. Just basically wait for this to actually come to the end. There we go. Then click on this X button up here and you're going to see this over here, this login window. What you have to do here is basically just use your email's credentials. So inside your email, you're going to receive your login, which is usually like a number over here. There we go. And then also the password, which for me also was inside my email. And then also you'll see the server. For me, it's this demo one right here. I'm going to save my account info, press login. And if you put in the correct credentials, you'll see that you're now successfully basically logged in to your account on MT4. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.
Incoming mail.